Hello everyone. So today is an exciting day because I bought a KellyCo mystery box and we're going to do the opening up of it right now. So stay tuned.
It's a mighty big box, ain't it? Yeah, what's inside?
Paper. Oh, what's the new Garrett?
Apex? You got an Apex in there?
I got an Apex.
Oh man.
What did I pay? $539 for the whole thing?
Total, yeah, $4.99 plus tax, right?
In a bag.
Is it a detector bag or?
I'll open it up and see.
Kind of looks like it is.
A bag for it.
Wow.
Big one.
That's a big one. How about, has it got good padding on it?
Fairly good.
Yeah. It'll damn sure protect it.
Yeah. All right.
Wow, you got an Ace Apex.
Oh, what else do we got down here? Oh, those pin things. They're scratching the...
Oh, pencils. I've been wanting some of them. I was going to buy some too.
Oh, cool.
It's the Andre's pencils.
And a towel.
Oh.
Remember I've been wanting one from the...
That's awful thin. It worked though.
Yeah. And what's this? What is this? Magnifying glass. Oh, it's a magnifier.
Oh, nice. That'll come in handy.
Yeah. I've seen one of the other detectors have one of these. They were pretty cool. You just pull it out.
Nice.
Well, it is nice. They must have different magnification on it.
These pencils are going to definitely come in handy. Oh, and you got another box in
A
there.
little box here. It says heavy duty gel padding knee pads.
Oh, knee pads are always good.
Oh, wow.
These are the ones, I think they're $19.95.
Wow. Safe Sense.
Ooh, they got a lot of padding in them.
Got a lot of padding in there.
Ah.
Well, I'm happy. I'm satisfied.
I would be
New
too.
metal detector? Heck yeah.
Yeah.
All right. It's worth it. It is.
So you got the Apex,
Yeah, the bag.
the cloth, knee pads, the bag, the pencils, and the magnifying glass.
Right on.
Anything else in the box?
Nothing.
That's it, huh?
A cat, maybe.
You're gonna have Tinkerbell over there. Hi, Tinkerbell. You're gonna get the metal detector out and try it out?
I may, yeah.
You may.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow. It's stuck. Where's the... must have wireless headphones.
Wireless headphones with it?
Yeah, it turns on here.
Oh man, that's awesome. That must be the Z-Link. Or Tinkerbell jump in the box.
She almost got in there.
All right. This is going to be awesome, ain't it?
It's going to be awesome.
All righty.
Gotta put it together, get it cut out of there.
So, there's the unboxing of the KellyCo mystery box.
That was an awesome buy.
Awesome. That's
We'll
right.
take it, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Can't wait till next year.
Yeah. All righty.
Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.